Serial rape suspect accused of attacking two women in Framingham 35 years ago back before a judge today.
And we're getting new details about Stephen Paul Gale and what he did when he was finally returned here to face charges. 5 Investigates has covered this case for years. Our Karen Anderson was in the courtroom today and joins us live from Woburn. Karen.
And we learned here in court today, one of the first things that Stephen Gale did when he was returned here to Massachusetts was disclose on a form that he had $1.5 million at hand. But when informed that meant he had to hire his own lawyer, well, today there was a different financial story. Stephen Paul Gale returned to court here in Woburn 1 week after he was arraigned on charges he raped 2 women at gunpoint in 1989. Prosecutor Catherine Folger told the judge Gale has been pilfering millions of dollars from various people over the past 35 years. And she revealed he was recorded talking about planning with his attorney in LA, Sammy Weiss, to hire a big lawyer here in Massachusetts to fight this case.
We have jail calls that Mr. Gale has been making while he was incarcerated in California. He has been discussing with his various girlfriends that he is hiring private counsel back here. Attorney Weiss was assisting him hire the foremost DNA expert back here in the Boston area. This is something that has been in the work since August.
Now, this was Gale right before he was arrested last August in Los Angeles after being tracked down to a yacht. He has been treated for health problems while locked up in LA. And today, Gale's defense attorney revealed he was brought to the emergency room at Lahey from Tuesday through Thursday last week.
Since his incarceration, he's been hospitalized several times, including 3 times for open heart surgery. On Tuesday, he was brought to Lahey Clinic, where he was put on a blood thinner.
Now, Gale will be returning back to the House of Corrections in Billerica today. That's where he remains held without bail. He has been ordered to fill out a new financial form. He will return back here to court for another hearing on Friday. Live in Woburn, Karen Anderson, 5 Investigates.
All righty, Karen.